This video is on carrier sense multiple access with collision detection. Access methods are necessary to ensure that systems on the network can communicate with each other. Several access methods are used in networks, but the most popular one is CSMA CD. Carrier sense multiple access collision detection is defined in IEEE 802.3 standard. On the network that uses CSMA CD, when a system wants to send data to another system, it first checks to see whether that network medium is free. It must do this because each piece of network medium used in LAN can carry only one signal at a time. If the sending node detects that medium is free, it transmits and the data is sent to the destination. However, the problem arises when two systems attempt to transmit at the same time. This is why we have CD after CSMA. Collision detection works by detecting fragments of transmission on the network media that results when two systems try to talk at the same time. If the collision happens, the two systems will wait for a randomly calculated amount of time before attempting to transmit again. This amount of time, a matter of milliseconds, is known as backup period or jam signal. And when the backup period elapses, the system attempts to transmit again, and if the system does not succeed the second time, it keeps retrying until it gives up and reports an error.